finally I got the most viral travel content creators mic, which is the DJI Mic Mini 2. Before we proceed on to the unboxing and review, let me just give you a surprise. Check out my description and you have a link there. When you click on the link there, you get this mic for just $12,999, which is a special offer which is currently running. I got it for like $14,999 as a gift. But this offer is like amazing because this, I believe, is one of the best budget mics out there. There are other options that we have for travel content creation, which I am going to share at the end of the video. But this is one of the mics that everyone's using, and I'm very excited, even though I know I'm little not so good with technology for the first timers. But I'm a slow learner, and I've learned DJI Osmo Mobile, and I've also learned a little bit on how to fly drones, although there was a bit of struggle in the starting. So let's begin by opening this. I tried to cut it out, which is so funny, like, you know. Anyway, so this is the dabba that we have. Obviously, like, I'm so excited to find this mic. This is the pouch. Oopsie, the pouch which is inside. So I'm very used to two kind of mics before. Hollyland, which we were using at the Hybis TV, where I was journalist, and the Grenaro J1, which is one of the best budget mics, which is currently also on the offer on Amazon for like 2K, right? That's the most budget mic that you can find for your travel content creation. But this I wanted to get, and I got it as a gift. So, I mean, never mind. Gifts are always worth the wait. So let me just open this. So we have a pouch inside. Okay, and I'm going to be a little slow on this because this is the first time I've opened. No, I've opened it before, but I was like, okay, I have to go through some videos and certain things to figure this out. And then I love this pouch because it's so handy. Like, you guys need a pouch to carry your stuff with, and I love the DJI's idea for this. And then inside we have, what else we have? A lot of things. Okay, we have, this is the box which has the mic and I believe the transmitter. These are what? Okay, these are like the wind muffs for the noise cancellation. And see, I said I'm opening it for the first time. These are some of the wires that we have. So let me just place it here. Let me just open a couple of YouTube channels and other reviews, and let me just see how to operate this. Before we do that, so you can see this like a box, okay, and it comes with a sticker attached to it. I have removed the sticker because I just wanted to check what's inside without having to operate it first. And you have a DJI thing written here, which you can see, I believe. And then, okay, fine. So let me just, how do we open this? Okay, so we press onto this. And it opens. So this currently looks like this, and I see a green light blinking. So what does it mean? Oh, there are a couple of green lights. Can you guys see? There are a couple of green lights inside. Like, wow, what are all this? So there are a couple of green lights inside. Fine. We're going to figure this stuff out. Oh, I love the mic. This is so small. Look at the size. And even Hollyland is small, but I love this one because, I don't know, I just love the way it looks. Like, I love the way it looks. Like, okay. And then I can place it here. I think this is the magnet. Oh my god, the magnet is so strong. Yeah, and yeah, this also has the green light blinking, so maybe it's ready for use. I don't know. So I was planning to not just, you know, clip the mic. Oh my god, it's sticking on my क्या कहते हैं, iron का जो ring मैंने पहन रखा है, it's sticking onto that. It's so cool. I mean, like, wow. Anyways, so yeah, I was thinking I can either place it like this, same when placing this, okay, but it still shows, but it's smaller, right, because my mic is bigger. Or I can put it like this here somewhere. That's what most of the travel bloggers are currently doing, and put it like this. So now can you see my mic is barely there, right? And you can also hear my voice, which is currently getting recorded at Sony ZV-1 because I haven't started operating this. But yeah, this is how it is, and this is how neat it looks, man. Like if you're wearing a black shirt, it'll be totally invisible. Anyways, I take this out and we're going to figure this thing later, like, you know, when I'm going to just do a little bit research on it. I believe this is a transmitter which goes on the camera or on the phone. And the third thing which we have is, I think this is the, yeah, okay, fine.
अभी तक मैंने इन दोनों चीज़ों के बारे में बात करी थी आपसे. दिस इज़ द ट्रांसमीटर, दिस इज़ द USB-C अडेप्टर जो बिना दूसरे अडेप्टर के मेरे आईफोन 14 Pro में नहीं जा रहा है. बट what I want to show you guys is also hidden something. Now you may wonder where is this going to go, क्योंकि यहाँ तो कोई ऐसे holes मुझे दिख नहीं रहे हैं. But see the magic, like this is, it just slides off like this, and this is the hole where it's going to go, like if you can see. And अभी मैं दिखाती हूँ जाता कैसे है. Now you just have to slide this in and be very careful, क्योंकि ये जो दूसरी चीज़ है फिर ये आपकी कहाँ जाएगी, राइट? आपको बहुत संभाल के रखना है इसको. आप ये देखो, आपको दिख रहा है? You're going to just press it onto this, right? Until it makes a click sound. ठीक है? ये है आपका USB-C अडेप्टर. इसमें आपका आईफोन 14 अगर आप यूज़ कर रहे हो तो आईफोन का आपका अडेप्टर लगेगा इसके ऊपर, जो मैं ग्रीन एरो माइक वाला अडेप्टर यूज़ कर रही हूँ. ठीक है, तो ये इसकी लॉजिक है. एंड देन इफ़ यू वांट टू टेक इट ऑफ, निकल गया. बट आपको ये चीज़ बहुत संभाल के रखनी है. कितना छोटा है, ये गुम हो गया ना तो गए आप. स्लाइड करके इसको अंदर डालना है. सी, कैन यू सी? इट्स गॉन.
Setup that we're having currently, I mean the lighting is not very good, but you can see the transmitter right here. You get this छोटू सा यहाँ पे जो आपका USB-C adapter है वो मैं आपको खोल के भी दिखाऊंगी, but I just want to show you guys. And then I've attached to the Grenaro mic का जो मेरे पास adapter था from USB-C to iPhone वाला adapter, वो मैंने attach किया because I've seen it on the DJI mic and it was costing me around 5K for my iPhone 14 Pro. मतलब this USB-C to iPhone का adapter, it was costing a lot, and I was like ये इतनी महंगी चीज़ भी नहीं है, so let me just try this and let me see if it's working or not. And from the box itself, both of them are in the green light, so I hope it's going to work. There are two kinds of mic, एक होता है 2% mic और दूसरा है 1% mic. So 1% mic में आपको एक mic और एक transmitter मिलता है, which costs you around 7,000 8,000, and this is this, as I said, is currently on the offer for 12,999. I bought it from Design Info. You can get it from Amazon, but Amazon में भी थोड़ा costly चल रहा है. So this is a 2% mic and I usually do a lot of interviews, so this is helpful for me. Let me show you a little distance test and let me show you how the sound is originally on my phone, क्योंकि मैं इसी पे यूज़ करने वाली हूँ. मैं DSLR आजकल यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ. So let me just show you how it works.
So this I am directly recording from my mic on my phone. So this is how it's sounding right now. मैं थोड़ा पीछे जाके देखती हूँ कि कैसा रिकॉर्ड होता है. ठीक है. सो मैं अभी काफ़ी पीछे हूँ. आई होप आप मुझे कैमरे में देख पा रहे होगे. आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ़ यू कैन सी मी, बट इफ़ यू कैन सी मी देन आई एम प्रीटी फार फ्रॉम द डिस्टेंस. आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी मीटर्स, बट बहुत दूर है. तो अगर आपको मेरी आवाज़ क्लियरली सुनाई दे रही है देन दिस माइक इज़ टोटली वर्किंग ग्रेट. ठीक है. और अभी हम चेक करते हैं इसके नॉइज़ कैंसिलेशन फ़ीचर को. मुझे ये फ़ीचर्स के बारे में बिल्कुल नहीं पता था बिकॉज आई हैव नेवर ट्राइड DJI माइक मिनी बिफोर. और DJI के एक ही प्रोडक्ट है मेरे पास, DJI का Osmo मोबाइल, विच आई यूज़ वेरी ऑफन. बट ये मेरी पहली बार है जो मैं DJI का माइक ट्राई कर रही हूँ. एंड लेट मी जस्ट ट्राई विद द नॉइज़ कैंसिलेशन फ़ीचर. एंड मैं यूट्यूब के DJI के ट्यूटोरियल्स देख के ये काम कर रही हूँ. ओके, सो लेट मी जस्ट शो यू विदाउट द माइक.
This is the sound quality, original sound quality on my iPhone without
पीछे जाके आपको दिखाती हूँ। So guys, stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to try this with the noise cancellation feature. वो मुझे try करना ही करना है because I'm a slow learner, new learner and मैं DJI के tutorials देख के try कर रही हूँ. But I have to try that one and I'm very excited for this. And I'm going to try it both indoors and outdoors. मैं case by case try करूँगी. Indoors में भी काफ़ी noise pollution होता है because of AC and the fan. And outdoors में तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा होता है. कभी construction आपको नीचे सुनाई दिया होगा, अभी बंद हो गया अचानक से, when I want to shoot it's like gone. एनीवेज बाहर भी बहुत सारे कभी कंस्ट्रक्शन गाड़ी वाड़ी जा रही है, भी प्राइम टाइम है नहीं ऑनेस्टली, सब काम करने पे निकल गए हैं, तो I'll have to shoot in the prime time and I'm going to shoot in the next video. So have you tried this new mic? And I am actually loving this one क्योंकि ये काफ़ी डिफरेंट है बाकी माइक से, और ये अभी मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ Grenaro की माइक which is a very budget friendly mic for like 2K, but I wanted to transition into something more professional and I got this as a gift from my husband. I got this as a gift on my birthday and मुझे DJI का माइक पसंद है यार, मैं उसको बहुत यूज़ करने वाली हूँ and hopefully you guys are also going to use it a lot when you are traveling, क्योंकि आपने देखा ना कि iPhone में दूर जाने से distance क्या हो जाता है उसके noise का. So this is a very big problem while you are traveling. सारे disturbances आते हैं, whether it's wind, whether it's other things in your background, and फिर आपकी जो वॉइस होती है वो नहीं दिखाई देती है, सुनाई देती है, एंड दैट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग टू कंसिडर. सो होपफुली यू गाइज आर गोइंग टू हैव गुड फन यूजिंग द न्यू माइक दैट वी हैव. तो ये वायरल किसी रीज़न से तो बना है, इसकी वॉइस क्वालिटी मुझे पहली झलक में पसंद आ गई. आई होप यू गाइज लाइक इट टू. सो वेल गाइज, आज के लिए इतना ही. कल के वीडियो में देखते हैं कि इसके नॉइस कैंसिलेशन फीचर कैसे वर्कआउट करते हैं. वील ट्राई इन फ्यू सिनेरियोज, समटाइम्स इंडोर्स समटाइम्स आउटडोर्स. इंडोर्स में भी काफ़ी नॉइज़ होती है, फ़ैन AC सब चल रहा होता है. बाहर ट्राई करेंगे हम थोड़ा सा जहाँ पे ज़्यादा लाउड नॉइज़ हो. आई लिव इन अ कम्युनिटी, तो यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा. So guys, stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to try this with the noise cancellation feature. वो मुझे try करना ही करना है because I'm a slow learner, new learner and मैं DJI के tutorials देख के try कर रही हूँ. But I have to try that one and I'm very excited for this. And I'm going to try it both indoors and outdoors. मैं case by case try करूँगी. Indoors में भी काफ़ी noise pollution होता है because of AC and the fan. And outdoors में तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा होता है. कभी construction आपको नीचे सुनाई दिया होगा, अभी बंद हो गया अचानक से, when I want to shoot it's like gone. एनीवेज बाहर भी बहुत सारे कभी कंस्ट्रक्शन गाड़ी वाड़ी जा रही है, भी प्राइम टाइम है नहीं ऑनेस्टली, सब काम करने पे निकल गए हैं, तो I'll have to shoot in the prime time and I'm going to shoot in the next video. But by then stay tuned. Have you tried this new mic? Have you tried this new mic? And I am actually loving this one क्योंकि ये काफ़ी डिफरेंट है बाकी माइक से, और ये अभी मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ Grenaro की माइक which is a very budget friendly mic for like 2K. But I wanted to transition into something more professional and I got this as a gift from my husband. I got this as a gift on my birthday and मुझे DJI का माइक पसंद है यार, मैं उसको बहुत यूज़ करने वाली हूँ and hopefully you guys are also going to use it a lot when you are traveling, क्योंकि आपने देखा ना कि iPhone में दूर जाने से distance क्या हो जाता है उसके noise का. So this is a very big problem while you are traveling. काफ़ी सारे disturbances आते हैं, whether it's wind, whether it's other things in your background, and फिर आपकी जो वॉइस होती है वो नहीं दिखाई देती है, सुनाई देती है, and that's a very important thing to consider. So hopefully you guys are going to have good fun using the new mic that we have. तो ये वायरल किसी रीज़न से तो बना है, इसकी वॉइस क्वालिटी मुझे पहली झलक में पसंद आ गई. I hope you guys like it too.